We downtown, and she being a sourpuss. Her right there. Come on. We're walking. Well, he's peeing and sniffing. Come on, Axel.
You like it? It's the best.
That's cute. You like riding?
Huh?
You like riding? That's cute. Y'all, it's cold out here. Look at my outfit. I didn't plan on going out and being out. I planned on being into my house or into my car. Come on, Axel.
Oh, that's a bad timing.
Come on. This way. Walk down there. Where's the circle? Where's the light? Where's the lights? Is that the lights? Oh, there's the lights. There's the Christmas device. Where's the hoe at? Oh, I guess we just...
Stop doing it, because Mimi gonna follow.
Hold on.
I'm gonna follow. Yeah, she is, because you follow everything she does.
Come on, Axel. Wait, y'all.
Go her hand.
There's the light. Oh, it's too light.
I told her to come over here.
There y'all see it. Okay, come on.
Because she's your sister. No, I got her.
Chill out. Put her towards the inside, Shay. Bye. Don't know when we're coming back. Probably never.
Probably never.
Probably never. Bye.